In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and assign tasks in Asana, a powerful tool that helps teams stay organized and on track. Whether you're managing a big project or simply trying to keep your personal to-do list in order, knowing how to create and assign tasks ensures you can keep everything moving forward smoothly. Let's start with creating a task in Asana using the desktop version. First, navigate to your desired project or workspace. This is crucial as tasks need a home, a space where they belong, and that space is usually defined by the project they're a part of. Whether you're planning a marketing campaign or organizing a team retreat, make sure you're in the right project. Once you're there, look for the plus Add Task button. You'll find this located at the top of the task list or within a specific section. Clicking this button is your gateway to task creation. It opens up a blank slate for you to detail whatever needs to be done. Now that we've created our task, the next important step is assigning it. Assigning tasks correctly ensures responsibility is clear and deadlines are met. Again, using the desktop version, after you've clicked to create your task, you'll notice the Tasks Detail pane pop up on your screen. This pane is where you can manage various aspects of your task, from due dates to attachments, and most importantly, assignees. In the assignee field, you'll begin by typing the person's name or email address whom you intend to assign the task to. Asana makes this step quite intuitive. As you start typing, Asana will provide a drop-down list of suggestions. This feature helps you find the right person quickly, even if your team is large or you have a few similar names in your contact list. From the suggestions, select the correct person from the drop-down list. Assigning tasks effectively ensures your team knows who is doing what and helps prevent any task from falling through the cracks. It also means the person can start working on the task immediately and will receive notifications and reminders about it, keeping everyone aligned and on schedule. And that's the process. Simple, yet efficient. Remember, task management tools like Asana are most beneficial when used consistently, so make this part of your regular workflow. By following these steps, you and your team can ensure projects run smoothly, tasks are not overlooked, and everyone stays on the same page. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find using Asana to be as empowering and efficient for task management as many do around the world. Happy organizing!